Okay, this is what we got to. We have the eye burned in with the pyrography tools, like this one. This is a tool that heats up via cable. Probably already seen this stuff. Turn it on, you can draw in here and so on. I'll be doing a lot more of that as we head forward. You'll note that it's pretty dark at the moment, but I sanded it down pretty well. You can still see there are issues with sanding, but there's so much more work to do that eventually it will get to the point where it's pretty darn clear. So at this stage, everything is really dark. But as I am a removal artist, it will be easier to sand off the stain than it will be to painstakingly put them in the nooks and crannies throughout this carving. So what I'm going to start doing is sanding off what I believe I don't need, and we'll proceed from there. So I'll be back soon.